Hello students, in the previous class we have discussed the angle between the two circles. What is angle between two circles? If two circles intersect each other, then angle between the tangents at their point of intersection is nothing but angle between the two circles. If theta is angle between two circles, then cos theta is obtained by the formula cos theta is equals to C1 C2 square minus R1 square minus R2 square whole divided by 2 R1 R2. This is the cos theta formula. From that you can calculate the value of theta. If two circles intersecting orthogonally, we mean angle between the two circles is 90 degrees. We obtain the condition C1 C2 square is equals to R1 square plus R2 square. At this time, the tangents drawn at their point of intersections to one circle passing through center of the other. Okay, at that time the condition is what? C1 C2 square is equals to R1 square plus R2 square. Consider the two circles S is equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0. If theta is angle between them, then cos theta is obtained by the formula cos theta is equals to C plus C dash minus 2 times of GG dash plus FF dash by 2 R1 R2. If they are intersecting each other orthogonally, the condition is C plus C dash is equal to 2 times of GG dash plus FF dash. That can be written in the form of product of x coefficient plus product of y coefficient is equal to 2 times of sum of constants. With the help of this concept, we have done some problems. Now today itself, let us see the problems. This is the problem. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, minus 3 and intersects the circles given by the equations x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0 orthogonally. You have to find out the equation of circle passing through 0, minus 3. I am going to write the rough diagram. Suppose this is the circle. This is your required circle passing through what? 0, minus 3. This is the point 0, minus 3 and intersect the two given circles orthogonally. So, suppose these are the two circles intersecting orthogonally. This is the point on the circle 0, minus 3 and cuts orthogonally the two circles. We mean angle between these two is 90 degrees as well as angle between these two is also 90 degrees. We have to find out. This is the required equation of circle. So this is the first circle. This is the second circle. This is say S dash is equal to 0. This is say S double dash equal to 0. Required equation is say S is equals to 0. Required equation is say S is equals to 0. We mean let S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be required equation. It is the required equation say. Now this is passing through 0, minus 3. So it is passing through 0, minus 3. Just to substitute the point, we have 0 plus 9 plus 0 minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. Implies minus 6f is equal to minus c minus 9. This is equation number 1. So first condition is applied. This is passing through the point 0, minus 3. Now s equal to 0, s dash is equal to 0, cutting orthogonally. Cutting orthogonally. We mean we have to apply the condition that 2 times of GG dash plus FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. That is 2 times of G means G itself. G dash. What is G dash? Minus 3. Plus F into F dash is what now? 3 by 2. Is equals to C plus C dash. What is C dash? 5. Implies what happened? minus 6g plus 3f is equal to c plus 5. Minus 6g plus 3f equal to c plus 5. Directly we can write this one, leave x square plus y square, and instead of x by you write g instead of y by f. Minus 6g plus 3f is equals to c plus 5. Just by looking the equation itself we can write the orthogonal condition we discussed in the last class itself. Again, s is equal to 0 comma s double dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. What is the condition now? Directly can I write minus g and minus 7f is equal to c plus 0. This is say second equation, this is say third equation. So by using three equations we have to find f, g, c values, substitute f comma g comma c here itself, we obtain the required equation of the circle. That is the target. So in this process we have to eliminate c first of all, and then you have to solve the two equations which are in f comma g. After getting the f comma g values, substitute f comma g in any of the equation having c, we obtain c also. After getting f, g, c values we can write the equation of circle, that is s is equals to 0. So for that we have to subtract 2 from 3. We can easily eliminate c. 2 minus 3, what happened? 2 minus 3 implies minus 5g plus 10f is equals to 5. We mean g minus 2f is equals to what? Minus 1. G minus 2f is equals to minus 1. This is the equation number 4. Next we have 1 and 2. Here is minus c, it is plus c. Just add. 1 plus 2 implies what happened? 1 plus 2 we are adding. This is minus 6g, there is no 6g, therefore minus 6g. And next what? Minus 6f plus 3f, minus 3f is equals to minus c plus c gets cancelled. This is minus 9 plus 5, that is minus 4. So this is equation number 5 say. Now it is minus 6g, here is only g itself. So multiply fourth equation by 6 itself. This implies 6g minus 12f is equals to minus 6. This is what now? Minus 6g minus 3f is equals to minus 4. By adding these two equations, plus 6g minus 6g gets cancelled. Minus 15f is equal to minus 10. Minus 15f is equal to minus 10. F is nothing but 2 by 3. So substitute f is equals to 2 by 3 in any of these equations. Substitute here itself. What is g? You are going to find out g value. G minus 2f. Minus 2f means minus 4 by 3. Is nothing but minus 1. So g is equals to 1 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 plus 4 by 3, that is equals to 1 by 3. We have g is equals to 1 by 3. G is 1 by 3, f is 2 by 3. Now substitute f value here itself, we obtain the c value also. So what is my c now? C is equals to 6f minus 9. What is f value? 2 by 3. So 6 into 2 by 3 minus 9. 3 2's, that is minus 5. So the value of c is equals to minus 5. We have g value, f value and c value. Substitute here itself, we obtain the required equation of the circle. Substitute here, what is the answer? X square plus y square, 2gx. What is your g value? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3x. Plus 2fy, that is plus 4 by 3y. Plus c, what is your constant? C is equals to minus 5 is equal to 0. Or 3 times of x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. In this manner, we can crack this one. So read the question thoroughly, apply the conditions neatly, we obtain the equation by solving those obtained equations. So first of all, you have to eliminate C value. We get the pure equations in f and g and solve them. You get f comma g, substitute f comma g in any equation having c, we obtain that c also, and then substitute fgc's in your required equation, we obtain the required equation of the circle. That means it satisfies the given conditions. Understand? Let us see the next question. This is the question. Everything is in the same manner you have to follow. Find the equation of circle passing through origin having its center on the line x plus y is equals to 4 and intersects the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y equal to 4 orthogonally. What you have to find out? You have to find out the equation of circle. Suppose this is the equation of circle, this is the circle, corresponding circle passing through origin. That must and should be the passing through your point origin, and its center lies on the line. This is origin. This is the center of the circle. It lies on your line. What is that? X plus y is equals to 4 and intersects the some circle orthogonally. This is the circle intersects orthogonally. This is your required equation. This is your required circle. You are going to find out the equation of circle. This one. What is the role of the circle? The circle passing through origin and its center lies on this line. What is the line? X plus y is equals to 4. X plus y is equal to 4 and cutting orthogonally the some circles S dash is equal to 0. This is your S dash. So the required equation is S is equal to 0. S equal to 0 is the required equation of circle that is passing through origin and its center lies on x plus y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 4 and it cuts orthogonally S dash is equals to 0. Okay, let's start in this manner. Let S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be required equation of circle. This is the required equation of circle. So what is the first condition here? It is passing through origin. It is passing through origin. Immediately we obtain the condition that is c is equals to 0. There is no constant. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equals to 0. So we have c is equals to 0. Next, what is that? It's a center. What is the center here? Minus g comma minus f lies on what? Minus g comma minus f lies on x plus y is equal to 4. We mean minus g minus f is equals to 4. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. Again, third condition is what now? The circle S equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. What is the orthogonal condition? 2 times of GG dash plus FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. This is the condition. We mean 2 into G into G dash minus 2 plus F into F dash, that is 1, is equal to what? C plus C dash, that is C plus 4. So minus 4G plus 2F is equal to C plus 4. Am I correct or not? Minus 4G plus 2F equal to C plus 4. Directly you can write. Leave x square plus y square. Instead of x you have to write G. Instead of y you have to write F is equal to C plus C dash. That is 4. Same obtained you have here. Minus 4G plus 2F is equal to C plus 4. Since C equal to 0, already we obtained. Since C equal to 0, we have minus 4G plus 2F is equals to what? 4. You can take 2 common. Minus 2G plus F is equals to 2. So minus 2G plus F is equal to 2 is the third equation. This is the third condition, third equation. This is the second equation from the second condition. See here, minus G minus F is equal to 4, minus 2G plus F is equal to 2. Can I eliminate F from these two equations or not? These two are the equations in F and G. You can easily solve these two. We obtain F and G. Already C is 0 you have. So substitute three values in S is equal to 0, we obtain the required equation. So by adding 2 and 3, 2 plus 3, what happened? Dear students, minus g minus 2g, we mean minus 3g. Minus 3g is equal to 6, f terms gets cancelled, minus f plus f gets cancelled, g is equals to minus 2. So the value of g is minus 2. Substitute g is equals to minus 2, what happened? Minus of minus, plus 2 minus f equal to 4. Plus 2 minus f is equals to 4. Implies f is equals to minus 2. G equal to minus 2, f equal to minus 2, already c is equals to 0. So can I write the answer or not? What is the answer now? X square plus y square 2gx, 2 into minus 2, minus 4x, 2fy, 2 into minus 2, minus 4y, plus constant, your constant is 0 itself, that is 0. So your answer is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equal to 0. So everything is easy, but when you are doing the calculation, you have to attention very important. Your attention is very important. So first of all, you have to eliminate c. From the question itself, the c is 0. So no need to worry about here. C is equal to 0 obtained, and apply the orthogonal condition, and center lies on x plus y equal to 4. Instead of minus g minus f, some of the students may write g comma f on hurriedly. So you have to write minus g comma minus f in this equation, because the center of the standard equation of circle is what? Minus g comma minus f. Understand? See the next one. This is the question. Find the equation of circle. What is the role of the circle here? Passing through 2, 0 and 0, 2 and orthogonal to the circle. Orthogonal to this circle. Suppose this is say s dash is equal to 0. Suppose we are taking it one way, s dash is equals to 0. We have to find out the equation of some circle passing through 2, 0 and 0, 2. Suppose this is the required equation of circle. This is the required equation. We have to find out its corresponding equation. That is passing through what? 0, 2 and 2, 0. Suppose this is 2, 0. This is say 0, 2. And intersect orthogonally some circle. This is the third condition. So this is say s dash equal to 0. Suppose s equal to 0 is your required equation of the circle. So what are the three conditions? Passing through 2 points are two conditions. Intersecting orthogonally is the third condition. So now itself your circle is in the not standard form. You have to divide by 2. 5 by 2. That is by 2 we mean 3. By 2 we mean 2. So this is the standard form. Okay, let us say s equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. Same procedure. Let s equal to 0 be required equation of circle. S equal to 0 means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. We have to find out f, g, c values by using the given conditions. What is the first condition here? S equal to 0 passing through S equal to 0 passing through 2, 0. S means what here? S is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Substitute 2, 0. What happened? 4 plus 0 plus 4g plus 0 plus c equal to 0. Implies 4g is equal to what? 4g is equals to minus c minus 4. 4g is equals to minus c minus 4. Also s is equals to 0 passing through what? 0, 2. Substitute 0, 2. 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4f plus c equal to 0. Implies 4f is equals to minus C minus 4. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 2. We have two equations by substituting the points itself. So what is the first condition? 4G is equals to minus C minus 4. 4F is equals to minus C minus 4. Again, we apply the condition orthogonality. S equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. S equal to 0 comma S dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. So by looking the equation itself, can I write the orthogonal condition or not? Yes. What is that? 5 by 2g, replace x by g and replace y by f, minus 3f is equal to C plus constant. C plus 2 is there. So 2 times of gg dash plus ff dash is equals to C plus c dash. This is equation number 3. Say. So we have 3 conditions and we are obtaining the 3 equations. 3 unknowns are there. If you solve these 3 equations, we get FGC values. Substitute here itself, we get the required answer. Okay. How to solve these equations? Now, by looking the first and second equations itself, by subtracting 1 from 2, we get g minus f equal to 0. Am I correct or not? 1 minus 2 implies 4g minus 4f equal to 0. Implies g is equal to f we obtain. So g equal to f is the fourth condition. So this is the condition obtained from the first 3 equations. Now here is plus c, here is minus c. By adding 1 and 3 we eliminate c. What is your first target? You are going to eliminate c first. 1 plus 3 implies what happened? 1 plus 3. See here 4g plus 5 by 2g. 4 plus 5 by 2. That is what? 8 plus 5. 13 by 2. 13 by 2g. 13 by 2g. Next what? Minus 3f is equals to plus c minus c gets cancelled, minus 2. This is the equation. Substitute fourth equation. Put g equal to f. What happened? 13 by 2 minus 3 times of g, because g equal to f is equals to minus 2. We mean 13 minus 6 by 2 times of g is equal to minus 2. So 7 by 2 equal to g. 7 by 2 times of g is equals to minus 2. What is g value? Minus 4 by 7. G is minus 4 by 7, automatically f is also minus 4 by 7. Because g equal to f. Substitute g comma f in any equation having c. Substitute here itself. What about the value of c here? C is equal to minus 4g. Minus 4 times of what is your g? Minus 4 by 7. That is minus 28 plus 16 by 7. That is nothing but minus 12 by 7. We have the value of c as minus 12 by 7. Substitute FGC values in standard equation itself. We obtain the required equation of circle. What is that required equation now itself? X square plus y square 2gx minus 8 by 7x. 2fy, that is also minus 8 by 7y. Plus constant. What is your constant? Minus 12 by 7. Is equal to 0. This is the required equation. If you want to cross multiply the 7, we obtain 7 times of x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0. So each and every one is same procedure. You have to observe the conditions and just apply them, and the main role of these problems are simplification. So first of all, you have to eliminate c value by subtracting or adding depending upon the situation, and go for solving of f comma g and keep FGC values in your required equation. We obtain the correct answer. That is your required answer. Here the circle maintains the three conditions. They are passing through the 2 points and cutting orthogonally some circle. We mean substitute the 2 points, we get 2 conditions, and apply the orthogonality, we obtain another condition. Solving those 3 equations, we obtain the required equation of the circle. Understand? See the next question. All these are same. Just read the condition and apply that one. What is that? Find the equation of circle which intersects the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0 orthogonally and passing through the point 3, 0 and touches y-axis. Here also you have 3 conditions. What are the 3 conditions here? Intersects the circle, suppose say s dash, orthogonally and passing through the point 3, 0 and again touches y-axis. These are the 3 conditions. This is the first condition, second condition, third condition. So let s equal to 0 is the required equation. Suppose this is the required circle which satisfies the 3 given conditions. What are they? The circle intersects the s dash equal to 0 orthogonally. This is s dash is equal to 0. This is my required circle, s is equals to 0. What is the role of the circle now? It intersects s dash equal to 0 and passing through the point 3, 0. This is my point 3, 0. This is that. And touches y-axis. This is the y-axis. So these are the 3 conditions. What are they? One is intersecting orthogonally s equal to 0 and second one is passing through 3, 0 and third condition is touches y-axis, that is x equal to 0. Its equation is x equal to 0. How to start this one? Same procedure. Let s equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. Let s equal to 0 be required equation of circle. S means what? S is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is your S. Am I correct or not? Now, it cuts orthogonally s dash equal to 0. What is the first condition? S equal to 0, s dash equal to 0, cutting orthogonally. Implies what happened? 2 into gg dash plus ff dash is equal to c plus c dash. By applying that condition, what we obtain? Minus 6g plus 4f is equals to c minus 3. This is the equation number 1. 2 into g into minus 3 plus f into 2 is equals to c minus 3. That means we get uptime. Okay, again what? The circle s equal to 0 passing through 3, 0. S equal to 0 passing through 3, 0. Implies what happened? 9 plus 0 plus 6g plus 0 plus c is equals to 0. Implies what? 6g plus 6g equal to minus c minus 9. This is a equation number 2. And the circle touches y-axis. And your circle touches y-axis. S equal to 0 touches y-axis. Touches y-axis. We mean what? F square is equals to c. This is third equation. So 3 conditions are given to you. 3 equations are obtained to you. So, from these 3 equations you have to solve for FGC values. After getting the values of FGC, substitute S itself, we obtain the required equation. How to do this one? Just by adding 1 and 2, what happened? Minus 6g plus 6g cancel. At the same time, c and minus c also cancel. So, that is best process for you. 1 plus 2 implies minus 6g plus 6g cancel, 4f is equals to minus 12. Implies f is equals to minus 3. When f is equal to minus 3, immediately we obtain the c value, minus 3 square, that is 9. C is equals to minus 9. When c is equals to 9, you substitute here itself, substitute c into, we get 6g is equals to, 6g equal to minus 9, minus 18. Implies g is also minus 3. We have g equal to minus 3, f equal to minus 3 and c equals to 9. What is the required answer now? X square plus y square plus 2gx, we mean minus 6x, plus 2fy, 2 into f is also minus 3, minus 6y, plus constant, what is that? 9 is equals to 0. It is nothing but x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. This is the answer. So, what are the three conditions? Number one is the circle S equal to 0 intersects S dash equal to 0 orthogonally, and second one is passing through 3 comma 0, and third one is touches y-axis. When you are saying S equal to 0 touches y-axis, f square equal to c. If it is x-axis, g square equal to c. So, in this manner we can crack this one. Next one. Find the equation of circle which cuts the circle orthogonally, and has diameter along the straight line. That means this is one of the diameter equation. X square plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 is one of the diameter of your required circle. That means your circle cuts orthogonally to given circles. Suppose this is the required equation of circle. This is the required circle. We are going to find out its equation that cuts orthogonally the two circles. Its equations are given to you. These are the two circles cutting orthogonally, and the center of required circle lies on this line. It is 2x plus 3y equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. This is the problem. You are going to find out the equation of this circle. Its center lies on 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and cutting orthogonally the two circles. Suppose your required equation is s is equal to 0, this is s dash equal to 0, this is s double dash equal to 0. In the same manner, we have to apply the three conditions and solve for FGCs. Let s equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. Let s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be required equation of circle. This is s. Now s equal to 0 comma s dash equal to 0. Suppose say it is s dash is equal to 0 and it is s double dash equal to 0. Okay. Now s equal to 0 comma s dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. S equal to 0 comma s dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally implies what happened? Just by looking the equation itself we can write that one, minus 4g, next one minus 6f is equal to c plus 11. This is the equation number 1. Again s equal to 0 comma s double dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. S equal to 0 comma s double dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally implies what happened? This is s double dash equal to 0. Minus 10g minus 4f is equal to c plus 21. This is equation number 2. 2 into gg dash plus ff dash equal to c plus c dash. In your examinations you have tried that formula compulsory. Just by looking the equation itself we are writing the condition here. And what is the third condition? It's a center. Minus g comma minus f lies on that line. Third condition is what, my dears? Center c is equal to minus g comma minus f lies on 2x plus 3y equal to 7, because center must and should be lies on every diameter. 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. We mean minus 2g minus 3f is equal to 7. This is the third condition. So by solving these three equations we obtain FGC values. How to solve that one? 1 minus 2, we eliminate c first of all. 1 minus 2 implies, my dears, this is 6g. Next what? Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2f is equal to cc gets cancelled, that is minus 10. So we have 3g minus f is equals to minus 5. This is the equation number 4. This is obtained from 1 and 2. Now we are going to solve these two equations. Already 3 is there. It is in pure equation of f comma g. It is also in pure in f comma g. Now we are going to solve these two equations to get the values of f and g. Now I am going to multiply fourth equation by 3 itself. So multiplied fourth equation by 3 itself, what we are getting? 9g minus 3f is equals to minus 15. So suppose say this is equation number 5. Why we are multiplying with 3? By subtracting these two equations we eliminate f. 3 from 5, 3 minus 5. What happened? Minus 2 minus 9, that is minus 11g. Next minus 3f plus 3f gets cancelled. 7 plus 15, that is 22. So we have g is equals to minus 2. Substitute g equal to minus 2 in any equation having g comma f here itself. Substitute g equal to minus 2 in fourth equation itself. What we obtain? Minus 6 minus f is equal to minus 5. So f is equal to minus 1. Am I correct or not? G equal to minus 2. This is minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Minus f is equal to minus 5. So f is equal to minus 1. G is minus 2, f is minus 1. So substitute g comma f in any equation having c here itself. Substitute that one. Minus 4 into, what is our g value? Minus 2. Next minus 6 into, what is our f value? Minus 1 is equal to c plus 11. So this is nothing but 8 minus 6 into minus 1. Minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to c plus 11. This is what? 14. Your c value is 3. 12 plus 2, 14 minus 11, that is equal to 3. The value of c is 3. So we have f, g, c values obtained. So substitute f, g, c values in s is equal to 0, we get the required equation. What is the answer? X square plus y square, 2gx, that means minus 4x, 2fy, that is minus 2y, plus constant, that plus 3 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 is the required answer. So you can check also. See here, what is the center of the circle? 2 comma 1. Substitute here, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7, that is equals to 0. You can apply the orthogonality for this with the given circles. They intersecting orthogonally, we mean they satisfies the condition that 2 into gg dash plus ff dash equal to c plus c dash. This is the answer. So product of x coefficient plus product of y coefficient is equal to 2 times of sum of constants here. What is sum of constants? 3 plus 11, that is 14. 14 2s are 28. So again product of x coefficients, 4 4s are 16 and minus 2 into minus 6, minus 12 and that is plus 12, product is plus 12 here and minus 4 into plus 4, minus 4, that is 16. This is also 28 and the sum 2 times of sum of constants is also same thing here. What are the sum of the constants here? 11 plus 3, 14, 14 2s are 28. So by verification itself it is satisfied. So after getting the geometry answer, you can check whether it is the correct or not. You go for the cross checking. That means the required circle, the obtained circle satisfies the condition, that is cutting orthogonality of s dash equal to 0 and s double dash equal to 0, and its center measurement should be lies on your line 2x plus 3y is equals to 7. So the verification is also valid. This is the correct answer. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Understand? See here, find the equation of circle. You have to find out the equation of circle intersecting each of the following orthogonally. So there is no another conditions here itself. The conditions are, the 3 conditions are cutting orthogonally. So you have to find out the equation of circle intersecting orthogonally the 3 given circles. There is no another condition. 3R depends on the 3R like orthogonality. Suppose this is the circle. We are going to find out its equation. Suppose this is the required circle. What is the role of the circle? The circle intersects orthogonally 3 given circles. This is the first circle. This is the second circle. It is the third circle. So the circle intersecting orthogonally, we mean angle between the 2 circles is 90 degrees. That means the tangent drawn at their points of intersections make an angle 90 degrees. So this is your required circle, s equal to 0. Say its equation. Its equation is s dash equal to 0. It is s double dash equal to 0. Its equation is s triple dash equal to 0. You are going to find out the equation of this circle. That is s is equal to 0, you are going to find out. So let s is equal to 0 be the required equation of circle. S we mean x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be required equation of circle. Now this is not in the standard form. We are going to divide it by 2, 3 times. This is 4 times. This is 3 by 2 we obtain here. S equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. Now s equal to 0, s dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. S equal to 0 comma s dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. What is the condition now? By looking itself, we obtain the condition replace x by g, replace y by f. 2g plus 4f, 2g plus 4f equal to c plus 1. This is the equation number 1. S equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 cutting orthogonally. Similarly, s equal to 0 cuts orthogonally, s double dash equal to 0 and s triple dash equal to 0. Similarly, s equal to 0 cuts orthogonally, s double dash equal to 0 and s triple dash equal to 0 also. Implies I am going to write both condition here itself. By looking the second equation itself, what is the condition? Minus 2g plus 6f is equal to c minus 3. This is the second equation, and third equation is nothing but 3g plus 4f is equals to c minus 3 by 2. This is the third equation. So leave x square plus y square. Instead of x you have to write g, instead of y you have to write f is equal to c plus this constant. C plus minus 3 by 2 will mean c minus 3 by 2. So we have obtained three conditions. By solving the three conditions itself, we obtain the FGC values. Keep FGC values here itself, we get the required equation. Am I correct, my dears? So 1 minus 2, what happened? 1 minus 2, 2g minus of minus 2g plus 4g. 4g, next minus 2f is equals to 4. 4g minus 2f is equals to 4. This is the equation number 4. You can subtract 2 from 3 itself, but I am choosing 1 minus 3 because here is 4f, here also 4f. C and C both will be cancelled by taking 1 minus 3 itself. 1 minus 3, what happened? 2g minus 3g, we mean minus g. Next 4f gets cancelled and CC also gets cancelled. Minus g is equal to 1 minus of minus, 1 plus 3 by 2, we mean 5 by 2. So g is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is the value of g. Substitute in 4. Substitute g in 4. What happened? 4 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 2f is equals to 4. This means what? 2 times gets cancelled. Minus 10. Coming to the right side, plus 10. Minus 2f is equal to minus 2f is equals to 10 plus 4, 14. Implies f is equal to minus 7. The value of f is minus 7. Here 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Coming to the right side, plus 10, 14 is there. So f is equal to minus 7. You have f value and g value. Substitute f comma g in any equation having c. Substitute f comma g in 1. I am going to substitute f comma g in 1. 2 times of g. What is your g value? Minus 5 by 2. 2 into minus 5 by 2. We mean minus 5. Next, plus 4 into f. 4 into minus 7. Minus 28. Is equal to c plus 1. So what is the value of c? This is minus 33, minus 34. The value of c is minus 34. So can I write the answer or not? What is the answer? X square plus y square 2gx. What is the value of g? Minus 5 by 2. 2 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 5. Minus 5x. 2fy. What is f value? Minus 7. 2f means minus 14. 14y plus constant minus 34. So this is the answer. X square plus y square minus 5x minus 14y minus 34 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle which cuts orthogonally the three given circles. So write the conditions without defect and solve them for FGC values, and after getting the values of FGC, keep the values here itself. We mean in S is equals to 0, we obtain the required equation of circle. What is the orthogonal condition? 2 times of GG dash plus FF dash is equal to C plus C dash. This is the condition. So without writing the condition, we are writing the obtained conditions here itself. But in your examinations, you have to mention the condition and then go for write the condition itself. So otherwise you may lose the marks. So how to write the shortcut way? Leave x square plus y square first of all, and before leaving the x square plus y square, your equation must and should be in the standard form, otherwise you get the wrong concept, wrong equation. So instead of x you have to write g, instead of y you have to write f, and put is equal to symbol, and is that is right side you have to write c plus c dash. C dash means here 1, c dash means here minus 3 by 2. So replace x by g and replace y by f is equal to c plus constant. Leave x square plus y square. That is the shortcut to write the condition directly itself. But in your examinations you have to mention the formula and then write this one. G means what? Half of x coefficient. F means what? Half of y coefficient. Okay. Next one. See here. If the straight line 2x plus 3y equal to 1, this is the equation of line, intersects the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 at points A and B, then find the equation of circle having AB as diameter. Having AB as diameter. This is the very important model. Very important model. We are going to find out the equation of circle AB as diameter. What are ABs? The points of intersections of line and circle. See the rough diagram. This is the circle x square plus y square is equals to 4. This is the circle, some line intersected by the circle at 2 points A comma B. How many circles can you draw from these 2 points? Infinite number of circles you may draw. But we don't want all those circles. You are going to find out the equation of circle as AB is diameter. This is the circle whose diameter is AB. One of the diameter is AB. This is your required circle. So we are going to find out its equation now. This is x square plus y square equal to 4, given equation. And the line is what? 2x plus 3y equal to 1. My dear students, this is S is equal to 0 and this is L equal to 0 say. Already we discussed it. The equation of any circle passing through point of intersection of S equal to 0 and L equal to 0 is always of the form what? S plus lambda L is equal to 0. So infinite number of circles may be drawn through these 2 points. First of all, I will write that note. Let S is equals to, given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4 equal to 0, and line L is, that is 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. S equal to 0, L equal to 0, like that. Intersect at S equal to 0 comma L equal to 0, intersect at A comma B. This is given information. So the equation of any circle, passing through A comma B is of the form, what is the form, my dears? S plus lambda L equal to 0. S plus lambda L equal to 0 is the equation of any circle passing through points of intersections of S equal to 0 and L equal to 0. I prepare this one first of all. What is the S? X square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda times of 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So by giving the infinite values of lambda, you get infinite number of circles. We don't want all those circles. Your circle must and should be have AB as diameter. Suppose it is your required circle. If it is your required circle, then AB is its diameter. AB is a diameter to this one. So every diameter has its center of the circle. Every diameter possesses its center. So substitute the center of the circle in your line equation, that is the diameter L is equal to 0. We obtain lambda value. Substitute lambda here itself. We obtain the required answer. That is the idea of the problem. So if it is our required circle, then its center lies on L equal to 0. Then its center lies on L equal to 0. This is the important step here. Very, very important. The idea of the problem is this is S plus lambda L equal to 0. If it is your required circle, this is the center of the circle, always lies on AB, because AB is diameter of what? S plus lambda L equal to 0 if it is your required circle. That is the idea. So what is the center of the circle now? Minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. Here that is minus lambda comma minus 3 lambda by 2. Lies on what? Your line 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Now I am going to substitute the value of x and y. 2 into minus lambda plus 3 into minus 3 lambda by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. We mean that is equals to 1. So this is minus 4 lambda minus 9 lambda is equals to 2. By taking LCM itself, lambda is equals to minus 2 by 13. So we obtain the lambda value. Substitute lambda value in the above equation, that is equation number 1. Substitute in 1. We get the required answer. What is the answer now? X square plus y square minus 4 lambda value minus 2 by 13 times of 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. We mean 13 times of x square plus y square minus 52 minus 4x minus 6y and plus 2 equal to 0. Or 13 times of x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y is equals to 52. That is minus 52 plus 2. We mean minus 50 equal to 0. Okay. 13 times of x square plus y square minus 52 minus 4x minus 6y plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 52 plus 2 we mean minus 50. So this is the required equation of the circle. So the concept behind the problem is you are going to use here S plus lambda L equal to 0. S plus lambda L equal to 0 is the concept. What is this? This is the equation of any circle passing through points of intersections of S equal to 0 and L equal to 0. This is of the form S plus lambda L equal to 0. Suppose two circles are given to you. What do you have to write? S plus lambda S dash equal to 0 or S plus lambda times of S minus S dash equal to 0. Next one. This is the question. Find the equation of circle. You are going to find out the equation of circle passing through point of intersection of x square plus y square is equal to 2ax and x square plus y square equal to 2by and having its center lies on the line x by a minus y by b is equal to 2. So here we are going to find out the equation of circle that is passing through the point of intersection of the two circles and its center lies on the line x by a minus y by b is equals to 2. Okay. So how to do this one? Suppose these are the two circles intersecting in this manner. I am going to write the rough diagram. These are the two given circles like that. Okay. These two intersect at A comma B say. This is the point of intersection. This is the another point of intersection of the two circles. We are going to find out the equation of circle through A comma B. How many circles can you draw? Infinite number of circles you may draw. This is the circle, one of the circle passing through A comma B. If it is your required circle, then immediately your center lies on the given line. This is the line. This is the center. So what is that? Line equation x by a minus y by b is equals to 2. This is your required circle. This is the circle. This is passing through A comma B. These are the two circles. One is say S is equal to 0 and other one is say S dash equal to 0. This is the required circle. And passing through point of intersections A comma B, and its center lies on this line, x by a minus y by b equal to 2. Now tell me, what is the idea? Can I write the equation of any circle passing through points of intersections A, B or not? What is of the form? Either s plus lambda s dash equal to 0, or you may use s plus lambda times of s minus s dash equal to 0. For my sake of convenience, I am going to choose the second form, that is s minus s dash equal to 0. What is s minus s dash? X square plus y square minus 2ax equal to 0 is your s, and s dash is x square plus y square minus 2by equal to 0. By subtracting these two equations, we get s minus s dash, that is nothing but minus 2ax plus 2by is equal to 0, or ax minus by equal to 0. This is s minus s dash. The equation of any circle passing through A comma B is of the form s plus lambda s dash equal to 0. Suppose the equation of any circle passing through points of intersections A comma B is of the form s plus lambda times of s minus s dash equal to 0. This is the equation of any circle passing through A comma B. Suppose if it is our required circle, first of all, what is this one? X square plus y square minus 2ax plus lambda times of ax minus by is equal to 0. I am using suppose here. Suppose if it is required circle, required equation of circle, its center lies on x by a minus y by b equal to 2, because every center lies on every diameter of the circle. Center of any circle must and should be lies on the diameter of the circle. So if it is required circle, center C lies on my line. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f, that is minus of half of x coefficient minus of half of y coefficient. What is the half of the value here? Minus 2a. Minus a, its negative sign is a. This is a minus lambda a by 2. This is half of x coefficient with negative sign. Half of y coefficient with negative sign is what? B lambda by 2. This is the center. So half of the x coefficient by changing its sign, half of y coefficient by changing its sign, we get the center of circle. Lies on x by a minus y by b equal to 2. Lies on this line. Now substitute that one. What happened? 1 by a times of a minus lambda a by 2 minus 1 by b times of lambda b by 2 is equal to 2. So this is what? 1 minus lambda by 2. Again we have minus lambda by 2 is equals to 2. So lambda is equals to minus 1. Am I correct or not? Minus lambda by 2, minus lambda by 2, minus lambda coming to the right side, that becomes lambda. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Lambda is equals to minus 1. So substitute lambda equal to minus 1 here itself, we get the required equation. So put lambda is equals to minus 1, what happened? The answer becomes x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 1 times of ax minus by equal to 0. So the answer is what? X square plus y square minus 3ax plus by equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 3ax plus by equal to 0 is the equation of circle passing through point of intersection of the two circles, and its center lies on the line, that is x by a minus y by b is equals to 2. X by a minus y by b equal to 2. So you first write s plus lambda L equal to 0 form and write the center without any mistake. Substitute that center in this line because this is the diameter of the circle. S plus lambda S dash equal to 0. It represents infinite number of circles. We don't want all of these equations. We have one and only the circle equation. The role of that circle is its center lies on that line. If it is my required equation, immediately its center lies on the line because it is the diameter to that one. That is x by a minus y by b is equals to 2. Substitute the center, we obtain the value of lambda. Substitute lambda here itself, we obtain the answer, that is x square plus y square minus 3ax plus by is equals to 0. Understand? Next one. See this question, the angle between two circles each passing through center of other is what? Very simple question. We have to find out the angle between two circles. The two circles maintains the condition that each passing through center of the other. Each passing through center of the other. That means this is the first circle. This is the second circle. Each passing through center of the other. Suppose this is the first circle, this is the second circle. For sake of convenience, rough diagram, this is C1, this is C2. So this is the first circle passing through center of second circle. This is the second circle passing through center of the first circle. In this situation, what is the distance from C1 to C2? That is R1 as well as that is R2. Once if you get this thought, your problem is over. So C1, C2 is equals to R1 is equal to R2 here. What is the cos theta formula? Cos theta is equals to C1 C2 square minus R1 square minus R2 square whole divided by 2R1 R2. This is the condition. Cos theta formula. What is C1 C2 is equal to R1 is equal to R2? Some lambda say. Lambda square minus lambda square minus lambda square by 2 lambda square. Lambda square gets cancelled. Minus lambda square by 2 lambda square. It is minus 1 by 2. Implies what is my theta? 2 pi by 3. Some of the students may feel it is 90 degrees. No, that is 120 degrees. The one circle passing through center of other, then angle between the two circles is 2 pi by 3. That is the angle between the tangents at their points of intersection. This is 2 pi by 3. Because C1, C2 is equal to R1 is equal to R2 itself. That is say lambda, we obtain this condition. Understand? Very simple question. The angle is what now? 2 pi by 3 here. See this question. The locus of center of circle which touches the line x is equals to 2a and intersects the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square orthogonally. We have to find out the equation of locus of center of circle which touches the line x is equal to 2a and intersects the circle orthogonally. That means what? Suppose this is the one of the circle. We have to find out the center. What is the role of the circle here? That touches what? Y-axis. Sorry, this is not y-axis. X equal to a, just a line parallel to y-axis. X equal to 2a and intersects the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. This is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So many circles there will be exist such a way that the circle touches x equal to 2a and cuts orthogonally this fixed circle. So many centers will be exist. You collect all those centers, we get some locus, that is you have to find out. There exists another circle like this, intersecting orthogonally the circle and touches y-axis. This is the center of circle. You collect all these centers, you get some locus, that is you are going to find out. Understand? Suppose In this set of circles, let S equal to 0 be the one of the circle. Let S equal to 0. S means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the equation of circle. S equal to 0 be the equation of circle, touches x equal to 2a and cutting orthogonally x square plus y square is equal to a square. So implies we are applying the conditions. These two circles cutting orthogonally, we mean 2 into g dash, g into g dash is no, plus f into f dash is also 0, is equal to c plus c dash, c plus minus a square. So what is the value of c? A square. This is the first condition. Next, the circle s equal to 0 touches this line. When you are saying the circle touches x equal to 2a or some line r equal to d, again you have to apply the condition r equal to d. What is the radius of circle here? Root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to perpendicular distance from center to the line. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f to this line, that is modulus of minus g minus 2a by root 1 implies g square plus f square minus c is equal to g plus 2a whole square. So, instead of this is nothing but g square plus 4a square plus 4ac. Now g square gets cancelled. I am replacing c by a square here. F square minus a square is equal to 4a square plus 4ac. Now I am writing this equation as minus f square and minus 4ag, that means plus 4a into minus g is equal to 5a square. Why I am writing in this manner? We are going to write the locus of minus g minus f, because the center of circle is what? For s equal to 0, minus g minus f. Locus of minus g comma minus f is y square plus 4ax is equal to 5a square. So y square plus 4ax equal to 5a square is the required equation of the circle. Understand? So what are the two conditions here? We are applying r equal to d is the first condition, and the second one is cutting orthogonality. By taking the two conditions itself, we can crack this one. And see one more problem here. 1 comma 2 is the point on the circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0, which is orthogonal to the circle. 1 comma 2 is a point on that circle, and that circle cutting orthogonally the circle. The conjugate point of 1 comma 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square equal to 5 is what they are asking. Very simple question. This is x square plus y square equal to 5. This is the circle, and another circle is also given to you. Suppose this is s is equal to 0. S equal to 0 cuts orthogonally that circle, and one of the point on that one is 1 comma 2. This is 1 comma 2. We have to find out the conjugate point of 1 comma 2 with respect to the circle. We have one property that a comma b are conjugate points with respect to a circle. Then the circle described on AB as diameter and the circle cutting orthogonally. What is the condition? Suppose A and B are conjugate points with respect to a circle, then the circle AB has diameter and that circle always cutting orthogonally. We mean we have to find out the conjugate point of A, then that is nothing but the other end of the diameter through 1 comma 2 to that circle. What is the circle? X square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. What is the center of the circle here? Minus 1 comma 3. Multiplied by 2 and subtract that one, you get the other end. That means minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, and 6 minus 2, that is 4. Minus 3 comma 4 is the other end of the diameter. This is the conjugate point to 1 comma 2 with respect to that circle. X square plus y square is equals to 5. Okay. So the answer is minus 3 comma 4. So center is what? Minus 1 comma 3. That means by multiplied by 2, minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3, and 6 minus 2, that is 4. And last one, the radius of the least circle passing through the point 8 comma 4 and cutting the circle x square plus y square is equal to 40 orthogonally. Very, very nice question to you. Very interesting question. Listen to me. The radius of least circle you are going to find out. Passing through that point 8 comma 4 and cutting the circle orthogonally. So this is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 40. We are using the same technique. We apply the previous question. So this is the point 8 comma 4. Radius of least circle, that is passing through that point 8 comma 4 and cutting the circle orthogonally. Suppose this is the point. How many circles can you draw? Infinite number of circles can you draw from that point 8 comma 4, and every circle cuts orthogonally that circle here. We know that the pair of conjugate points taken as diameter and that circle always cutting orthogonally. That circle cutting orthogonally. If you take the polar of that point, you get like this. You take every point must and should be the conjugate to this point 8 comma 4. You take this one as B and consider AB as diameter, that circle cutting orthogonally that one. If you take this one as also diameter, cutting orthogonally the circle. So you get infinite number of circles like that. Which one is the smallest circle? Which point is nearer to this A? The inverse point is nearer to that A. So your required point is what? Inverse point. So find the inverse point of 8 comma 4 with respect to the circle and you draw the circle AB as diameter that cuts orthogonally the circle. So this is your point 8 comma 4. The circle is x square plus y square is equal to 40. The inverse point is what now? A square x1 by x1 square plus y1 square comma a square y1 by x1 square plus y1 square. So 40 into 8 by x1 square plus y1 square, that is 64 plus 16, this is 80, comma 40 into 4 by 80, that is 2 times here itself, 2 times, that is 4 comma 2, this is B. What is our A? 8 comma 4. AB is the diameter of the required circle, that is the smallest circle. So what is the length of AB? Diameter length, that is 16 plus 4. That is root 20, that is 2 root 5. Your required radius becomes what now? Root 5. So root 5 is the radius of the circle, which is very, very small, such a that passing through 8 comma 4, cutting orthogonally the circle, x square plus y square is equals to 40, my dears. Thank you very much.